Okay, hello to the group, John Sturr in Holiday, Utah. I had a question about my stove setup that I put together this video on the Fire Maple and the MSR PocketRocket version 2, because the second version has the piezoelectric niter, and I paused because I want to make sure I get that correct. If not, I'll put links in the description to actually clarify what version this is. But this is the fancier version with the lighter. So the question was, does the stove fit the bottom portion of the pot? And it does, but I wanted to show this to demonstrate it. So in the pot, so these fire maples are just incredible. They're like $22 off of Amazon, and they're also on AliExpress. But so I put everything in the pot. Pop the cover off. I wrap the canister in the bag that the pot comes in, because when this is in the pot, I don't want it rubbing and rolling around and I don't want to say scratching, but scratching the interior of the fragile anodizing of this. So that's what I do. So here's the fuel canister. This pops off. Let me unwrap this. I wish that this came in some kind of plastic case that could pop open, and because this fabric container thing doesn't really do a whole lot. So the stove gets great reviews. It's very expensive. It's like $85 or more, depending upon where you buy it. Everything folds out really nicely. You got to make sure that the valve is closed, because putting this thing on is a little bit of a trick, and I don't want to say it can be a little dangerous, but you want to be careful in an enclosed space, because you do have some leakage coming from the valve. Okay, that takes care of that. And this is all set and ready to go. This has 3, this has 3. And there you go. It works perfectly. You got to kind of seat it a little bit, but it works just fine. 3 and 3. It sits on there. You know, I mean, you got to align it because it's the way it is, but no problems. Just so everybody knows that it does work. But the stoves, they do make these in 3 or 4 support stands. So obviously, if you have 3 and then you have 4, it's not going to work. But 3 and 3 works. And then this runs on just fine. Love the piezo. Love the piezoelectric. Because then you don't have to have a lighter. You don't have to have anything. You just have the button. Boy, that kicks out some fire too. So that's why I went with this, the fancier MSR version. Okay, that's my stove and pot weirdness of the day. Hope all is well. Cheers.